Welcome today to Kathy's version of Hugs and Kisses. You are going to need, for today's class, I'm doing 3mm, but this can be done with pretty much any, even semi-precious stones. But for class purposes today, I'm using a 3mm Purple Haze crystal, a 3mm pearl, 15 sterling seed beads. You'll need 2 needles. I love my tulip needle, size 11. You'll need a lobster claw and a chain or some sort of toggle. And we want to start with a wingspan, so that's 2 yards of file line. And we are going to, you can use 6-pound or 8-pound. I'm all about sturdiness, so I like to use 8-pound. And what I would like you to do now is to needle up both sides like a jump rope with handles, because this is going to be a 2-needle project.